Hey there, welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're making a super easy pork neck casserole that's perfect for anyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook. Start by grabbing 2 pounds or 900 grams of pork neck and cutting it into small pieces. No need to stress about precision here. Just chop it up into bite-sized chunks. Friends, please write in the comments what country and city are you from? It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. Take a baking dish and toss in sliced pork. Now, slice 1 onion into half rings. Friends, I'd be happy if you could give this video a like, as it's the best reward from you. Add it to meat. Time to add some tanginess. Take about 7 small pickled cucumbers. Slice them up. If you have any questions about the recipe, write to me and I will answer as soon as I see it in the comments. Then sprinkle them over the pork and onions. Don't forget to pour a bit of that pickle juice in there for extra flavor. For a pop of color and freshness, slice up 15 cherry tomatoes. Then toss them into the mix. Next in line, the shallot. Slice it up. sprinkle it on top for a little extra zing. Now, drizzle about 2-3 tablespoons of olive oil over everything. Then, get your hands in there and give it all a good mix. Press it down gently to make sure everything's nicely combined. Next up, take 6 small potatoes and slice them into rings. Lay them out on top of the pork mixture to create a yummy base. Time to add some cheesy goodness. Grate about 6 ounces or 170 grams of soft cheese. And sprinkle it generously over the potatoes. Now, let's whip up a creamy sauce. Mix together 5 ounces or 140 grams of Greek yogurt, 4 ounces or 115 grams of melted butter, 3 ounces or 85 grams of mustard seeds, and 2 ounces or 60 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. Mix it until smooth. Pour the sauce over the cheese, covering everything evenly. To keep it moist while it bakes, cover the casserole with a sheet of wet parchment paper. Pop the casserole in the oven, preheated to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, or 180 degrees Celsius, for about 1 hour. And there you have it. A delicious pork neck casserole that's sure to impress. Stay tuned for the taste test. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!